set yourself up. So you're gonna get a nice exhale, maybe just get to push away from the ground a little bit. Good, a little bend in the elbows. And now we're gonna move each hand here. So we're gonna move the right hand first to 12 o'clock. So you're gonna stabilize nice and strong, and you're gonna go forward and reach as far as you can and come back. And then same thing with the left. Let that elbow bend and come back. And now you're gonna do all around
one
the
thing
clock.
you can add on that too, when you come back up, push through the index knuckle on your stabilizing arm.
Of the stabilizing arm, yep.
So press through the index?
Yep, as you're coming back. To give yourself that more added stability for you to be able to come back. Yeah. And what I find a lot of people do here is they're like, oh, this floor doesn't move, or it's not as slippery. Well, sometimes I've noticed it's because they're not putting weight through the bearing arm, and they're just trying to move through this arm. So now they're not even really working the arm that's supposed to be stable.